Liverpool just have to turn a blind eye to the Premier League title that Arne Slot won last season, you understand? Because we all know that the only reason why Arne Slot has not been sacked is due to the fact that he won the Premier League in his first year at Liverpool. But I think that if Liverpool should take a decision by firing Arne Slot, I don't really see anything special about it. This will not be the first time that such thing is taking place in football. Now, if you look at the year 2015, Jose Mourinho won the league for Chelsea, you understand, in the year 2015. The following season, he was not doing well, and he was fired. He was sacked by Chelsea, you understand, because he was not doing well. Chelsea needed the result. What about the year 2012? In the year 2012, Roberto Mancini won the league for Manchester City, you understand, the Premier League. The following year, he was not doing well, and he was also sacked. So bringing all this to Liverpool now, I think Arne Slot has been given enough time. He just have to go, you understand? Because Liverpool is not a team that an average team like Crystal Palace will be using to train, you understand? Crystal Palace defeated Liverpool in the Community Shield, you understand, this season. Now at the Premier League, also defeated Liverpool. Now coming to the League Cup now, Liverpool has also been kicked out by the same Crystal Palace.